Hello there, plant lovers! Welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, welcome, and I hope you will consider to hit the subscribe button below, hit the all bell, and so you will be notified for my next video. Thank you so much. Today we will be talking about Maranta Lemon Lime, or also known as prayer plant, which has a botanical name Maranta Lemon. The leaves of this plant resemble to a praying hands, as it has the ability to open and close their leaves. Most varieties open their leaves in the morning and close at night. What I like about this variety is the simplicity of the striking color of a neon green. Unlike the previous one that I featured, which is a tricolored prayer plant with bold red veins and undercolor. Undeniably, both have the same beauties and characteristics, and also under the family of Marantaceae, and is native to the Africa and to the Brazilian tropical forests. This can be a little tough to grow, but once you know the tips and care of this plant, you're gonna love every moment of it. Lemon lime maranta is actually a thirsty plant, so you should keep the soil slightly moist, or you can water the plant every 1 to 2 weeks. It is also advisable to use rainwater to water this plant. However, if you don't have one, you can leave water overnight before using them. And always remember, never allow your plant to sit in water, as this will lead to root rot. Again, always drain your pot before putting it back to the decorative pot. More importantly, this is a pet-friendly indoor plant. Therefore, if you have pets, they can go freely and roam around this plant. Happy planting, plant lovers! So there you have it, plant lovers. I hope you learned something from today's video. May you be happy, may you be well, may you be safe, may you be peaceful, and may the Holy Spirit continue to protect you and your loved ones today and always. See you then!